Good morning. Your pastries look delicious.
Good morning. Thank you. Would you like to try something?
Yes, what's your most popular pastry?
The chocolate croissant is a favorite.
Great. I'll take 2, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else?
Do you have anything gluten-free?
Yes, we have almond cookies that are gluten-free.
Perfect. I'll take a bag of those too.
Wonderful choice. I'll pack them up for you. Hello, do you sell baby clothes here?
Yes, ma'am. What size are you looking for?
My baby is 3 months old. I need something small.
We have newborn to 6-month sizes over here.
Great. Do you also have baby blankets?
Yes, right next to the clothes section.
Perfect. I'll take a look. How much are they?
They start at $20 each.
Okay, I think I'll buy 2.
Would you like me to pack them for you?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
All right, I'll pack them now.
Hello? Is this the fire department?
Yes, this is the fire department. How can I help you?
My kitchen is on fire. Please help.
Stay calm, ma'am. What's your address?
It's 124 Maple Street.
We're sending a team right now. Is everyone out of the house?
Yes, I'm outside with my kids. How long until you get here?
Good. Do not go back inside for any reason. We'll be there in less than 5 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
Hi, honey. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can. I'm so happy to hear your voice. Are you okay?
I'm good. It was a long mission, but now I'm back at the base.
That's great to hear. Do you feel tired?
A little, but talking to you makes me feel better. How are the kids?
They miss you a lot. Sarah drew a picture for you yesterday.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. Is everyone healthy at home?
Yes, we're all fine. When will you come home?
Maybe in 2 weeks. I'll let you know as soon as I can.
We'll be waiting. We love you so much. Stay safe.
Hello, dear. Are you busy?
Hi, honey. Not too busy. What's wrong?
It's about her son. His fever is getting worse.
Oh no, since when?
Since this morning. Now he is very weak.
Did you give him medicine?
Yes, but it didn't help. I think we must take him to the hospital.
Okay, should I come home now?
Yes, please. I'm really worried.
All right, I will leave the office now.
Thank you. Drive safely.
I will. See you soon.
Hello, dear. Are you on your way home?
Yes, I just left the office. What's up?
Can you please buy some vegetables on your way?
Sure. Which vegetables do you need?
I need carrots, onions, and some spinach.
Okay. Do you need potatoes too?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Do you want me to get tomatoes as well?
No, we still have some tomatoes at home.
All right. I will stop by the market before coming.
Thank you. You are always so kind.
You're welcome. See you soon at home.
Hi, Jammy. The water pipe at home is broken and the water keeps leaking.
Oh no, that's not good. Did it just happen?
Yes, I saw it this morning and now the floor is wet.
I wish I could come home, but I have to work overtime tonight.
Overtime? Is it really urgent?
Yes, there's an unexpected project I need to finish.
Then what should we do about the pipe?
Don't worry, I'll call the water pipe repair service right now. Hello, this is Jammy. I need help with a broken water pipe at my house.
Okay, sir. Can you give me the address, please?
Sure, it's 124 Green Street.
All right, we will send a technician within an hour.
Thank you very much. I'll be waiting.
Hello? Mom, this is Anna. I have some bad news.
Oh, dear. What happened, Anna?
John is very sick. He is in the hospital now.
Oh, no. When did this happen?
Early this morning, he had a high fever and trouble breathing.
That's terrible. Which hospital is he in?
City General Hospital, room 203.
Is he awake now?
Yes, but he is very weak. The doctor is checking on him.
I will come as soon as I can. Do you need anything?
Just your prayers for him to get better.
Of course, dear. Stay strong, Anna.
Hello, Mrs. Maria. This is Wilson. I'm really panicked right now.
Oh, Wilson, what's wrong?
I think I left my wallet at the canteen when I had lunch.
Let me check. Yes, I see a wallet here on the table. It must be yours.
Oh, thank God. I was so worried.
Don't worry, Wilson. I am about to go home now.
What should I do then?
Come to my house. I'll keep the wallet safe for you.
Mrs. Maria, thank you so much for keeping my wallet.
Here it is, Wilson. Please check if everything is inside.
Yes, everything is here. I really appreciate your kindness.
It's no problem at all, dear. Just be more careful next time.
I will. Thank you again, truly.
Hello. Is this the boutique tailor shop?
Yes, it is. How can I help you today?
I brought my suit last week. Is it ready now?
Let me check. Yes, your suit is finished.
That's great. Can I pick it up this afternoon?
Of course. We'll have it ready for you.
Thank you. Did you fix the sleeves like I asked?
Yes, the sleeves are shorter now, just as you wanted.
Perfect. I really appreciate your work.
You're very welcome. We're happy to serve you.
Hello. I need a taxi, please.
Sure. Where should we pick you up?
I'm at 25 Main Street.
Got it. Where would you like to go?
To the airport, please.
No problem. A driver will arrive in 10 minutes.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need help with luggage?
Yes, that would be nice.
All set. Your taxi is on the way now.
Hello, this is Mrs. Sharma. I am calling about my son.
Good morning, Mrs. Sharma. What seems to be the matter?
My son, Arjun, is not feeling well today.
I'm sorry to hear that. Will he be absent the whole day?
Yes, he has a fever, so he needs to rest.
Thank you for informing us. Should we give him some homework later?
That would be very helpful, thank you.
No problem. Do you expect him back tomorrow?
I hope so, but it depends on how he feels.
Understood. Please keep us updated.
I will. Thank you for your support.
You're welcome, Mrs. Sharma. We wish Arjun a quick recovery.